The game is on, Cleveland game. I cannot believe they have this on and not my Cowboys. Anything, she's gonna act a straight fool, okay? And that's what she did. We just got in from church. I got changed. I hope you're doing well. It has been a busy weekend and it has flown, y'all. Come on, baby. You gotta go outside? Okay. Let's go outside real quick. All right, let's go outside. Y'all, it's hot. All right, let me sit you down, y'all. We're just gonna chit chat out here for a little bit. Yeah, y'all, Layla's out here just chilling. We went to church today and it was so good. Oh goodness, I left my microphone inside. Hold on, y'all. So we just came in. My husband did a great job with picking up the fall decor. So we're at the front door now looking at it. And it looks so good. I'll show you from the inside. This is it from the inside of the house. And we're doing that. And then there's little Layla. If you look over there, the little doggy up here. I need to get in here and clean up my office, y'all. But we're about to turn on this TV. It is almost Tennessee Titans game time. I don't even know, y'all, if my Cowboys play today. Layla, come here. I think your daddy's coming in. Y'all, let me go back in this office. I still need to film my entire fall decor video, y'all. I have not forgotten. I need to check out something really quick, y'all. Where is, let me put this on. The flash. I think the light's pretty good, but y'all, I've had, when I do my lives, I have this, you know, this little gadget, my microphone, right? That just goes into your cell phone, to your mobile device. Well, I thought I could use this on my camera. And I'm using my Sony camera right here, but I can't use it. So I guess it's a separate device I have to order. I just knew that would somehow connect, but I think it is only from a mobile device. But hold on a second, y'all. Okay, y'all. I'm watching my husband outside. But y'all, I need some more fall stuff in my office because I do tend to spend more time here, not just working, but my Mac. Look at Layla over here. Layla, don't do that. That's Daddy. She's about to tear up my phone. Hubby wants some oats. I'm all about lower prices, okay? So quick oats. Low value quick oats, honey, to the rescue. He wanted some oatmeal, so I have the water boiling and I'm just going to fix him some of this because it is Y'all, it's almost 3. It's almost game time, but he doesn't want anything heavy and, again, something soft where it doesn't mess with his mouth. He needs to take his medicine that the doctor prescribed. He said it was a canker sore, so he has an ointment that, or like a paste. I forgot the name. He doesn't have it in here. I will show you. But hope you can hear me, y'all. I need to get me another microphone for this camera. The game is on. Cleveland game. I cannot believe they have this on and not my Cowboys. Tell me, make it make sense. I'm waiting for the water to boil and we're gonna just make his oatmeal. Y'all, I just did a live outside. We were on the patio and Layla was out there, and Layla does not like any kind of noise. It's outside, so it could be a dog, an Amazon truck, anything. She's gonna act a straight fool, okay? And that's what she did. But now that she sees her daddy's in here and she liked the pumpkins on the front porch, they didn't do her any harm, so I think she's good. Every time she sees me in here cooking, if you could see her now and you hear her, she thinks it's time for her to eat. I gave her a little bit of my bacon this morning, and I gave her some eggs, and this girl is always hungry. I don't even think she's hungry, but dogs will eat themselves to death. All right, girl, we're waiting on Daddy's water to boil. We're gonna make this, y'all, and then we're gonna watch this game. And that game is probably gonna watch me, y'all, because I am tired. I am so tired. I need to pull out my yarn and my crochet needle because I am going to get back into crocheting and maybe making some scarves and just get myself more in the routine to make the blankets again. I love crocheting. It's so therapeutic. But that's going to be some Christmas gifts this year, y'all. I am watching how much we spend. I'm all about intentional shopping and, gifts that are very sentimental,